Like you can see, I've created a appointment booking system. From here, you can select the service, then select the date and time, and then fill the basic detail. And also you can add payment gateway and add these to your Google Calendar. So we will see how we can do all these features for free. Let's go. So here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. So we will create appointment booking system. For that, we need to download and install a plugin that will be very good for you. I personally use it. Go on Google, search for Booking Press. Very simple. Click on Booking Press. Here you can see you will not get this plugin directly on WordPress as of now. So you need to download from here and then install in WordPress. I have downloaded the free version. We need to download only free version. Go on plugin, click on add new plugin, upload the file. The file you have downloaded, just upload it. Click on install now. Now plugin is installed. Now when you install this plugin, all the pages will be created automatically. You can see appointment cancel, book an appointment, everything. You can view it. No category and services added. That's why this error is shown. So first we will click on add new service. Here you need to add your service for which you want to provide booking. I will name it service one. If you want to give category, you can give it, otherwise leave it. The duration of booking, what will be the duration of booking? It is free or you want some charges. You can set here. In description, you can write the detail of booking description. Save it. From here. You can create category. And I will show you one more thing about it. Like you can also paste the appointment booking form anywhere you want. Like you can paste it shortcut in any page, anywhere, wherever you want to show you. This is the page. You can see when you open it, in this format, it will open. First, all the list of services with category by. So here you can add category, whatever the category are, and the list of services. Select it. Then you can select date and time. I will also show you how you can manage date and time. Then here you can fill the detail. If you want to add note, next summary. Now just click on book appointment. Your appointment will be booked. You can add on Google Calendar, Yahoo Calendar, anywhere you want. Now let's see some customization option and how we can add payment gateway. All detail we will see. Shall we add payment gateway? If you want on setting, and here you can see option of payment here. From here, you can add your payment gateway. First, I will change the dollar to rupee, then symbol. Now it accepts only PayPal for free. If you want to add other payment, then you need to buy the pro version of this plugin here. Buy pro version, and you can get any payment gateway as per your requirement. Let's go on general setting. From setting, you can set the default duration and slot. If you want your appointment to be approved or pending, you can set from here. Here you can change the default phone code. So these are some setting you can set as per your requirement. The main thing is working hours. That's very important. Working hour is very important, like on which time a user can book appointment. You want to add break in between, like between 1 or 2, I will be not available, so no appointment should be booked. You can also set that here. This is company information. You can update here. Notification. Like if someone book your appointment, he will give email notification. And in your calendar, You can see all the booking that is booked here. I booked one that is showing in appointment showing black because of this date. I will set up to 22, sorry, 7. Now click on apply. Here you can see my appointment is sent. It is pending. I will approve it. You in service, you can see the service. You can create category, multiple category. In notification, it will show whatever the notification that will be sent to user. You can change the styling and detail that you want to enter from here. Customer and admin, you can change to customer. Dear customer, your successfully appointment booked. This. If you want to show some more detail, payment method, booking ID, booking date. If I want to show, I can just add it. Then booking date will be also added. Now, additional part about this plugin I is customization. There is customization in forms and field. You can customize the look and feel of form, how it will be shown. First, now one important thing about it, field setting. What fields you want to show to your customer, you can add, remove from here very easily. That's the very good thing about this form. You want to go with some additional feature. If you need it, there are multiple feature. I will add link of this website on your in description. You can go through all the feature and detail. Whatever you want, you can just buy through the link I will give. Okay, so that's all about this plugin. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.